in the future they'll be. I mean, it's, usually you don't forget stuff, so that's probably the first time. Okay, so what do we do? Just the facts, and then also our lesson is in 2 weeks, so you'll need to. So it's probably better if I write down maybe something here. I got a paper. Yeah, and you'll put it. Yeah, you have this binder, so you can put that in. Okay, so.
Thank you. Sorry about
That's okay. It's okay because you might forget by the time when we'll have our next lesson, right? And then you'll bring this paper with you next time when you have lesson. So then I can remember to locate it. Okay. All right. So which one?
Yeah, page 16.
16.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Just one page, right?
Yeah.
So yeah. So it's everything. So there were some corrections before on this one, right? Okay. 16. Third. Perfect. Fourth. Major second. Perfect. Okay. C flat major. Yeah, when we're writing flat, where's yours? For bass clef. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat. Look where the G flat and F flat are. Alright, so, and you see that?
Yeah.
So, and then the treble clef is fine. Do you see how it's aligned very nicely? But this one you will need to rewrite. Okay. So we do have some rules. Okay. This is major G minor, D major, D sharp minor, G major, D sharp, and then F major D. Okay. So here we go.
You told me to put the
major right next to it. It's just good to always have that. Okay. C major D. Right. F D, D flat E, D flat C, A flat F, D flat B flat, G flat E flat, and C flat A. Okay. So just this little thing. Okay. And you will be gone for less than a week?
Way less. 4 days.
4 days. So then I'm going to ask you to do two pages. Okay. So you'll have, because this one it's not going to take much time. So I'm going to ask you to do 2 pages. So 17, you will need to place rest that would complete each measure. Right here, bar lines. Name each major chord. If name is in a bass, is different from the root, name the bass note after writing a slash. Okay, do you see that? That gave a really good because this is B flat major chord, but the bass note is F, so it's right F.
Oh, because it's not.
Yeah. Sometimes the same, sometimes not. Okay. Right, because otherwise, the way they explained it was a little bit confusing, but because they gave this explanation, then it's this example, then it's pretty easy.
So the bottom is the root.
In this case, it is.
Yeah.
In this case, it's not.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
It's fifth.
Yeah.
Okay. We will do this during the class. You might want to take a look at this. Then game intro detective. Then on page 18. Circle the lower sounding note, right? Place note in the next line or space that is half step higher. And then the given note. Okay. You might need to use double sharp or double flat in your answer. So, yeah, okay. And it's a bass clef. Notice that. So, see, just a little bit more challenging, right? Draw the key signature and primary triad. So it says F major, so you'll have to figure out, and then all those chords. Then same thing for A major. C natural minor, so don't forget what major that is this scale is related to. Then place the key signature of the scale in the last measure. Oh. So they're not asking you to. So here you will write. Okay. So here you'll put key signatures here, but then you will put those flats into the scale.
Yeah, that's,
Same
that's
thing here.
almost a lot.
Right. I'm not sure. Have I had something like
Yeah,
that before?
it's
So the flats are at the end.
this one.
Right. Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. It's kind of odd, but yeah.
Yeah.
And then of course, don't forget we need to measure for all this. Name the relative volume. Okay. Do you know what to do? Right.
Yeah.
So a little bit of 16, and then 17 and 18, and today is
The
20. Right.
It's almost the school.
1 month left. Right.
Yeah. Well,
Well, for you, yes,
Yeah.
but
For
some
some
schools
people.
it's 23rd.
mhm.
So theory, page 16,
16, 17.
17, and 18. Okay, so let's see.
You specifically wanted us to start with pieces.
Sounds good. So, what do we play? Waltz. Chopin. And what else do we have? Do we have
No.
something else? Just waltz.
Yeah.
So did we finish? We finished
Yeah, we finished the symbol.
Gypsy Rondo.
Yeah, we finished
We
one.
finished the right. So
With
so.
the performance.
Okay. So we only have waltz.
One. Yeah. I have the sonatino. The sonata.
Well, I don't think we'll be starting anything today since we're not having lesson next week. But I might need to have a new piece for you.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Can I see your sonatino,
Yeah.
the book? Maybe there's something. I would like you to play something from classical period of time. So it's going to be either sonatino or maybe even like some easy sonata. There's some really cool. There's Rondo in C major. There's sonatas. Okay, so we have a couple of sonatas here.
Okay.
That looks awesome. Okay. Okay, this needs to wait. Alright, another sonata. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so I'm looking into. Oh, we might use this. Okay, there's some harder pieces, so the only thing I'm not sure about the this editor.
Yeah.
We talked about it, remember, right? So
Yeah.
so let's see what this one. I like this one. It's challenging. Why not?
7 pages.
So it's could be our next week project, right? Or sonata in G minor. 116. I'm leaning towards that. Again, it's not easy, but it would be good for you to try this out. But I'll need to check. Okay, so let's start this. It's not too long. It's only 3 pages. I always thought it was longer than that, but it's advanced. Okay. So this would be a good sonata.
When I get home, should I have my mom put it on the photocopier so I can swap the sheets?
Yeah, can you hold on to this? I'm gonna open the different edition and just for comparison, and we'll see if we're gonna be using from this one or from. So this is book 2. Because this one is much better.
Well,
So this is sonata number 19, right?
yeah. Wait, no. It's opus 40 number 1.
Yeah. It's 19. Mm-hmm. Trust this editor more, right? With finger and with all that stuff. It's over 3 pages. Let me make a copy from this. We're not gonna cover too much in it.
Okay.
So I'll make a copy of the first page here,
Okay.
and then we can start. So then you can start exploring, and I could start explaining. Okay. We're gonna start right away with this, so then I can answer your questions. I can point it out to things. Yeah, so it's G minor, and of course we never played anything nearly as difficult as this. So that's gonna be our big project. Okay. Style-wise, it's somewhat similar to Haydn, not character-wise, but style, the touch. That's what kind of we'll be talking about a lot. So, as usual, we'll be dividing into sections. This one's for sure, but I want to subdivide this. Otherwise, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's kind of like odd. It's difficult. And same thing higher. We're gonna have this one, and then right here. So we'll make this. These were 8 measures, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or we can make them most of them shorter. So let's make it 4 measures. So this will be then 2. This will be 3. This one is okay. Very small section. Plus?
Yeah. That one, hopefully.
So this will be section 9. Okay. Alright, we've got that. Of course, we're going to start with separate hands. We start with mostly 8th notes, but we have lots of 16th notes coming up. So we might as well just count 1 ienda, 2 ienda. Okay, let's do that very slowly, like really slow, and trying from the first try, from the first time, not to make mistakes. So we don't connect it. part of the deal. Right. That doesn't make sense to connect, right? Okay, you got it. Go on.
1E and 2E and 1E and 2E and 1E.
So specifically look where we have slurs.
1E
Oh no.
and
Okay.
1E and 2E
Wrong note, and then you see how we go by U shapes. E and 2. So this will be 2, right? 1E and 2. So this on the. Okay. 1E and look at the fingering. One. It's on da because this one is going to be on 2. 1E and da 2. And we don't connect. This is kind of the dividing part. See that? So section 3 starts on this note. 1 and da 2E. No, it's 2E and 1E and 2E and 1E. This is our notation. So 1. Now let's add this. This is just another rotation. Mm-hmm. There's the notes. Mm-hmm. Now we need to play this group factor here. So what do we usually do? I'm not sure if we ever had group factor before.
I don't think we have.
So this is our main note. From the main note we go up, back to the main note, then down, then back to the main note. So it's kind of like wrapping around.
What's that like?
So, let's start again with our, and by the way, we need to figure out the tempo that we play. One, E, it's 40. 1, E, and 2. Yeah, so 40 is the slow, so we're going to have it for every 8th note. So let's write it down right here. Okay.
Just like the other piece.
Perfect. Here we go.
1, E,
So 1, E, and 1, in faster tempo, we're going to be making adjustments anyway. Okay, because it's going to go so fast. It's not going to be, we're not going to be waiting for it. It's going to be all blended. But then slow tempo, I don't know, we can't really stretch it that much. 1, so we have 1, E, 1, E, and 1, and. So we'll just wait. So we'll wait once we finish with the group item. Da da dee da dee. So it happens. 1, E, no, it's on da. Okay, I'm not for every 8th note. Da da dee da dee da da. Again. No, you can use this one. Too late. Let's try to clap. Everybody comes to town. Everybody comes to town. So, and this is 2, and this is town. Again. Everybody comes to town. Here we go. Everybody comes to town. Okay. 1, E, and 2, E. Everybody comes to town. And 1, E flat. 1, E, and 2, E. And everybody comes to town. And so here was 2 was G, and this time 2 town, 2 is C. Comes to town and da da. Everybody comes to town. And then give fingering. So everybody goes, everybody to town. These ones. Okay, then from this. Everybody comes to we have 6 there, so we will do the same thing. Yeah, it looks that way. So it's 5, 2, 1, right? 1,
yeah.
Everybody comes to town. Second. Everybody comes to town. with the metronome. Measure. Too late. Two. E. Fingering. You have so much time to prepare. Okay. No. I don't have anything on it.
And
So it's identical to this. It's exact same. And two. E. Fingering. Okay, so and of course you can transfer fingering, just exactly the same. Left hand. Fingering. 1, E. Fingering exactly the rhythm. I know it feels strange, but it's gonna work. Totally wrong. That's gonna be a big part of it. We cannot go any slower than this. So yeah, it would be nice to go slower, but if we use metronome, and I would like you to use metronome, that's the slower third. Okay. So quicker thinking and then analyzing everything.